Let's begin by jumping into the shading workspace. Now, click the New button to add a material to the object. Increase the transmission value to achieve a glass-like appearance. Set the roughness to 0 for a completely smooth surface. Switch to render preview mode for a better view of the effect. Enable screen space reflections in the material properties to make the glass material transparent. Also enable screen space reflections and refraction in the render properties. Press Shift-A to open the node menu, then press S to open the search bar and search for the transparent BSDF node. Press G to move. To combine both nodes, add a mix shader node. Press Shift-A to open the node menu again, then press S to open the search bar and search for the mix shader node. Combine the nodes using a mix shader node. The object is still not looking transparent. To achieve transparency, switch the blend mode and shadow mode from opaque to alpha hashed. To add volume and depth to the glass shader, insert a Fresnel node. Press Shift-A to open the node menu, then press S to open the search bar and search for the Fresnel node. Attach factor to factor.